In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for Bluetooth devices on your iPhone. So we can go to your settings. Now, it's important to know with this is that your iPhone automatically detects what is going on around you for your Bluetooth stuff. A lot of people will have devices that are automatically connected to their phone, but you can also search for other types of devices. So I have a pair of earbuds next to me here, and you will see them pop up on the screen here. So on the screen, you'll see my devices, then you'll see other devices, and those are near your phone, and that way you can search for items, search for different types of devices, and be able to connect them if you have different types of earbuds or watches or computers or cars and things like that. So it's real easy to go through and search for your local devices that are in close proximity to your phone, and that way you can connect to them via Bluetooth. So I hope this was helpful and useful for you, and we'll see you in the next video.